This is an era full of opportunities. This is a country that builds miracles. 5,000 years of Chinese civilization, condensing wisdom and strength. The new century is full of great achievements, chasing innovation and dreams. China, which is moving forward and changing with each passing day, has injected unparalleled development power into the construction machinery industry. The rapid development of the construction machinery industry has created a huge space for the development of JIUHE heavy industry. Never forget why you started, and your mission can be accomplished. As a three-pronged production base with pump trucks, mixer trucks, and a group headquarters, JIUHE Heavy Industry has created a brilliant leading performance in the sales of small and medium-sized pump trucks through continuous technological innovation and product upgrades in the ever-changing market competition. JIUHE Heavy Industry successfully entered the field of large concrete pump trucks to create a new world for customers. Under the idea of making innovation open up the market and let the market promote innovation, JIUHE Heavy Industry took the lead in research and development of small and medium-sized concrete supporting equipment for urban and rural construction, integrating concrete mixing, transportation, and pumping, completely breaking the application of concrete machinery. In the dilemma of rural infrastructure construction, it laid a solid foundation for JIUHE Heavy Industry to enter the field of large concrete pump trucks. On the road of concrete machinery research and development, JIUHE Heavy Industry uses its strong technical advantages and scientific research strengths to continuously break through itself and carry out product expansion and upgrading. Independently developed an epoch-making high-speed railway construction concrete pump truck, special concrete wet spray manipulator for tunnel construction, 39 meters, 48 meters, 56 meters, 63 meters large concrete pump truck, 12 to 20 cubic large concrete mixer truck series. With the solid quality and the speed of flying over, the perfect transformation is achieved, and the peak of the industry is established. Exercise one's inventive mind, pursuit of excellence. Beginning with the customer needs and ending with the customer satisfaction. On the road of R&D and production of concrete machinery, JIUHE people who are full of pride and self-confidence will create more efficient, high-end and more reliable concrete machinery products through continuous breakthrough, innovation and transcendence. More efficient. The pump truck starts with the gear, start and stop the engine through the remote control. The operation is convenient, the pumping work intensity is reduced, and the pumping efficiency is greatly improved. Higher end. The pump truck control adopts the German original IFM controller, display and monitoring the running state of the engine in real time through the canvas to ensure that the engine is in the optimal working area at the moment, which not only saves fuel consumption but also prolongs the service life of the engine. The main oil pump adopts international famous brands such as German Rexroth, and the quality is excellent, safe, and reliable. The transfer case adopts brands such as Qingdao transfer case, which has excellent performance and can greatly improve work efficiency and durability. The boom multi-way valve adopts electric proportional stepless adjustment. Highway multi-way valve, HAWE multi-way valve, electric control or manual control mode, which is flexible and convenient. The wireless remote control adopts the well-known brand Germany HPC to realize the stepless speed regulation of the boom, which makes the operation more stable, reduces the end shaking when pouring concrete at the end, and ensures the accuracy of the pouring concrete. More reliable. Advanced finite element analysis and strain gauge detection and non-destructive testing technology ensure that the boom structure is reasonable, safe, and reliable. The top pre-weld finishing, boring machine processing, positional welding, and other processes realize the seamless welding of the pump track and the high stability of the boom. The 56 and 63-meter products developed by JIUHE Heavy Industry have been subjected to high-intensity actual construction tests for 6 months and continuously improved to achieve high reliability of product quality. The mixer truck adopts stamping blades and double logarithmic spiral lines. The discharge of the tank body is fast and uniform. No material is accumulated, no segregation, and the residual rate of aggregates is the lowest in the industry. After the whole welding of the mixing tank is completed, the rail is semi-finished by a special customized floor lathe to ensure that the tank is concentric and the runout between the guide rail and the supporting wheel is controlled within 0.3 mm, which greatly improves the driving safety of the vehicle and the support of the supporting wheel service life. The product transformation and upgrading and the readjustment of the market strategy have made the development blueprint of JIUHE Heavy Industry more scientific and clear, which not only opened a new era for JIUHE people never forget why you started, but also depicted a new chapter for JIUHE Heavy Industry Quality China and a new future. JIUHE Heavy Industry actively responded to the National The Belt and Road Initiative, preemptively laid out in the countries and regions along the line, and achieved great success, helping the promotion of Chinese brands in the world and building the wisdom of China in the Pratt and Whitney world with excellent quality. In the future, JIUHE Heavy Industry products will not only spread in large, medium, and small cities in China, but will also be exported to the world with the development of the global economy. JIUHE Heavy Industry is marching towards the world concrete machinery market at China speed. JIUHE Heavy Industry will continue to adhere to the artisan spirit, show the world the exquisite Chinese manufacturing, and create a world-class Chinese brand for the nation. JIUHE Heavy Industry, Quality China.